Amazing day to all. This is Sir Dan Rogayan and welcome to another episode of Let's Recall, where I share salient concepts which are very helpful in your board examination for teachers' preparation. Sa video ito, pag-usapan natin ang iba't ibang layers of the Earth's atmosphere. Simulan natin sa pinakamababa at pinakamalapit sa Earth's surface, and that is troposphere. So pag nakita sa board exam at tinanong saan concentrated ang water vapor, anong layer ito ng Earth, that is troposphere. Where does weather happen? That is also troposphere. At dito rin sa layer na to, nako-contain yung pinakamalaking mass ng Earth's atmosphere. Secondly, we have stratosphere. So, commonly ang tinatanong dito, anong matatagpuan natin sa stratosphere? And that is the ozone layer. This is the protective blanket that protects us from the ultraviolet or the UV radiation. Susunod, of course, is the middle layer or the mesosphere. So, typically, dito natin makikita ang meteor shower or the shooting stars. Dito nagbe-burn up yung ating mga meteor. Kaya nakakakita tayo ng shooting stars. And the shooting stars are actually the meteors. These are meteor showers. Next, we have, of course, the thermosphere. The thermosphere is the layer that contains the auroras. Remember, your aurora australis is the northern lights. And, Aurora Borealis is the northern lights, and Aurora Australis is the southern lights. Okay? So, tatandaan. And in the thermosphere also, nag-orbit yung mga space shuttles and ISS or the International Space Station. And lastly is exosphere, or the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Some of the satellites orbit in this region or in this layer of the Earth. So in summary, we could use the mnemonics trust me in the exam. Trust, TR, so that's the troposphere. ST is stratosphere. Me, mesosphere. The thermosphere. Exam, exosphere. Troposphere, weather happens, weather occurs. Stratosphere, ozone layer. Mesosphere, meteor shower. Thermosphere, the auroras, the space shuttles, and the ISS station. And the exosphere, the outermost layer of the Earth, where most of the satellites also orbit. I hope this will be very helpful as you prepare for your upcoming board exam for professional teachers. Pakatandaan, palaging magtasa ng dunong pagkat ito'y nakatutulong.